How to upload photo, video, and file on Dropbox. Let's get started. Launch your Dropbox app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to this plus option. Different options will appear as upload photos, create folder, create or upload file, scan document, and many more. In order to upload photos, select the option of upload photos. In order to upload a file, click on the option of Create or Upload File. For this video, I will be uploading photo to my Dropbox account. Your gallery will open up. Now you can select the picture or video that you want to upload and then click on Add. Now you can rename your picture. Likewise, select the folder where you want to save your picture and then click on the option of Upload. And just with that, you have uploaded picture to your Dropbox. By applying the same process, you can upload files as well as photos and videos. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.